and welcome to BoomWriter. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create one of our favourite things, a BoomWriter book. So once you're in your class, click New Assignment and it will come up with the books. So books is really amazing because it allows your students to become published authors, which is an incredible achievement for them and will really help set the tone of what it means to be a good writer very early on in their academic career. So you've got two options. Either you can do our limited edition story start and that's already preloaded for you. You just click it and then you're ready to go. Or you can create your own. So once you create your own, you've got three different choices. Firstly, you can use one of our story starts, and we've got over 70 in this catalogue. And there are a range of themes, ideas, genres, settings, characters. So you can have some fun reading these, or if you're slightly strapped for time, which of course you are because you're a teacher, you can search by genre and search by level. Just to note on level, that's based on subject matter, not reading age. So it's roughly basic for elementary level, intermediate for middle school, and advanced for high schoolers. But make sure you have a read of it before, just to make sure there's nothing in there that's going to surprise some of your students. So that's option one. Option two is for you to write your own story start. And this is a really great idea if you've got a particular character or plot that you're dying for your students to work on. This is really great because you can have some fun here and you can set it in your school or your local town or community. And you can have some real fun by creating some of the characters that are very similar to people that are in your school. So that's option two. Or option three is if you have been using BoomWriter a while and you've got some colleagues, they might have saved their story starts, and in which case you can poach some of theirs. So once you've selected a story start, let me go ahead and show you what happens here. You've then got to set up the book. And what I mean by that is you need to choose how many chapters you want to do. It's defaulted to 2 student chapters, so we give you the start, your students do the middle and end, but you can add as many chapters as you want. You'll also need to choose the publishing and the party date. So the book completion date is when you think you will have finished writing. So that includes the reading, the writing, the editing and the voting. So we roughly say about 3 to 5 days per every 2 chapters. So it really depends on how many chapters you're going to be doing here. But let's say we're doing a nice and quick one and we want to finish by the 20th. It's going to automatically generate our publishing party date. And what we mean by that is that's when the book will arrive to your school. So if any parents have published their child's book, that's when the party will be. And we've had some schools invite the parents in, invite the school librarians, the principals, other classes. So you can make a real song and dance about this achievement, and it's a really great thing for your students to be part of, and really encourages that love and passion for writing very early on for them. So once you've decided on those, you're all good, and voting is automatically toggled on for the books because that's what decides the chapter winners. You can write some instructions for your students here. Make sure you're using capital letters and full stops. Any vocabulary you want them to use, and when they use that vocabulary they'll also get points, which they can then spend on the Boomer store for their accessories. And once you're happy, go ahead and press start. And you're ready to go. Your students can start writing. And if you're new to BoomWriter, we've got these handy guides throughout the project, just to keep you on track and explain things that are maybe unclear. And as always, if you've got any questions, you can just message us here and we'll reply as soon as we can. So there we have it, how to do a BoomWriter book. And we hope you enjoy this activity. Thanks for watching.